I know you are. What am I? You're again. You again.
Still your turn, Josh.
Sweet. Awesome. Sit on Sarah's. All right, next is who cares?
Hey, already?
Your
What?
turn.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh, yay.
Two gunners. Two gunners in a row. So much of a winner that he gets gunner balls.
Okay, where's my ball? My 11? Where's my 11? Okay. Come on, you gonna pull my pins already? Anytime now. Okay. See? And it's the floor, not me. It is the floor, exactly. It's gotta be. Okay. It's the floor! It's not me, it's the floor. I swear. It's not me. Yeah, okay. Okay.
It's neck and neck between me and Sonya.
Hi, Aunt Di. Oh, there's the score up there. I'm losing. Big time. I'm out bowling with some friends. Some old friends that I used to hang out with in Toronto when I lived here. Because I'm at my mom's.
For now.
Go Skittles! Oh. Oh! I was so close. Oh! Got her ball.
Alright, God.
It's God's turn.
Huh?
It's God's turn.
That's right.
Make it rain.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Okay. That's what they say.
I don't say that.
That's how it's supposed to be said. Oh. I find if you're aiming for the middle, do it from this angle and then go throw it. Because the floor is slanted. It's such a cheater floor. I don't like it. Stand on that corner and then throw it towards the middle. Yeah, like that, but throw it towards the middle. So where you're standing, but like angle it towards the middle. See? Works for me. It works for me.
Get here.
I'm still on mine.
I'm a comment on the bowling.
I'm multitasking. I'm live streaming and bowling. Yeah. Ooh, gutter ball.
Gutter way.
I feel that Wade is trolling us.
Wayne's trolling.
Trolling us.
He's trolling.
I know he can do better. I know he can do better. I know he can.
Yeah, there you go. See? There you go.
Where was that the first time?
He was trolling us.
Where was that the first time?
Okay, where's my ball? Where's my ball? Where's my ball? I need my ball. Okay. My purple ball.
Chasing me.
Hey, don't worry me. That God is changing.
This thing takes forever to load.
We got the ball.
There's my pins. Okay. Like that. That's how you do it. I know. I gotta try. I'm gonna try. I need my holes first. Okay. No! You fucker! Yeah, mother.
Right when I say John's on this side.
Yeah, God. Jinx me.
Alright, Sonia. You're up.
Yeah, your turn. Yeah, that's true. I am in third. We only have 54 minutes left. Oh, are those french fries? Oh, french fries. Yummy. I love french fries. I guess it's a snack for now. Here I am at 25. I'm in second place. Third place.